Ignitra reviews. Does it really work or just another scam? I'll be honest, I was skeptical about Ignitra. I'd seen so many miracle supplements make big promises and deliver nothing. Low energy, fading drive, and constant fatigue had started to take over my life and my confidence. Still, I gave Ignitra a try. I told myself, 1 month, let's see what happens. The first week, not much change. But by week 2, I noticed something. My energy came back. I wasn't crashing midday anymore, and my focus at work improved. By week 3, my stamina was stronger, my mood lifted, and I felt like the man I used to be. Now, after 30 days, the difference is undeniable. Ignitra gave me steady energy, better performance, and a boost I didn't realize I was missing. If you're tired of feeling tired and you want to get your edge back, Ignitra might be the game changer you need. Click the link below to discover how Ignitra works and see what it can do for you. You might be surprised at how quickly you feel the difference.